Okay, Kim. Let me get that thing out of there. Ah! Get it. Okay.
So,
What's the plan?
we're playing with fancy overlays.
Fancy overlays. Okay, so that shot that we just did is looking like this. So, can you take the camera? So, what's new is, I guess you got it, it's this thing all around. So this is the new feature that we're presenting today, the overlays, and just for reference, this is the original shot. So we get these things here. And to add this, you simply go in branding on top right here, and then you have the watermarks here, and the video overlay right there. So you can upload your new file using this button here, and then you just browse and select your files. But what's really important is the blending mode. So what I selected is lighten. So for those of you guys who are used to do After Effects or Premiere, you know the blending modes. Photoshop people also know that. So I use lighten mode on any of my overlay, and that creates that kind of effect right there. So I have a few others. Yeah, this one here, I think. Yeah. Okay, and now obviously this is not for studio work. This is for live events. So let's say you have a night shooting with bullet time, and you want to add something on top of your videos. That's the way to do it. And you can get these things on stock video website. Just look for light leaks overlays, MP4 overlays. There are many websites where you can purchase bundles, and then you can resize them to decent size, because most of them are 4K. These are huge files. So just bring them to the final output that you're shooting with in Xangle, and then it's gonna go super fast. So currently we're at 132 cameras shooting 1080p, and it's just taking a few seconds to get everything and apply the overlay on top of that. Is that clear enough? Okay, let's try a few more shots.